Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited to share this club set with you because it is oh so adorable. I just absolutely love this one. And this is because of my Liam. This is made for my Liam because it is called Snails to Stamp. Now my little baby Liam loves snail shells. Whenever we go to the park, he loves to find the shells where the snails are gone, thankfully, and he likes to collect them. And then guess who gets to carry them home? Nana. Nana gets to hold them in her little hand and carry them home ever so gently. And so this is because of Liam. So here we go, Snails to Stamp, and it's so cool because it's snail mail. You know, that's what normal post office mail is called nowadays. Snail mail instead of email. So here we go. We have snail mail for you, sending you snail mail. Sorry I'm late. Happy belated birthday. A special delivery. Congrats. You snailed it. And look at these cute little snails. There are 4 total. They have little boxes that you can put on their little shells. They have a little tie and a bow tie and 2 little envelopes that you can put little, you know, your little things in. Now, what's really cute about this, of course, this is our stamp club, so our stamp club members are getting this sent to them automatically. But if you are like me and our most popular club gets not only the stamp club, but the Die Hard club gets the dies that match. Because if you're anything like me, you are not going to try to hand cut those, right? No way. So our Die Hard club members are getting the same stamps as the stamp club and the dies that match. And we filled this up. I gave you lots and lots of fun dies. All dies, the inside dies and the outside dies. So if you want a shadow or not, either way you get to decide because you're getting both dies. Now, you're also getting, our club members are getting their handy dandy postcard, and Stamp Club members and Die Hard Club members are getting a freebie this month. So if you're not in the club and you just buy these sets as they come out, you're missing out on the freebie and the club postcard and the club discount. So check that out definitely. So are you ready to see the samples? You know, my design team is always so amazing and I always love to talk about how awesome they are. But look at this cute one. It says, whoops, I'm late. Open it up. Happy belated birthday. The snails go great with the mushrooms, as you can see. So cute. Here's some more. Here's a cute one. Oh, this is actually a sneak peek, which I really love. You're gonna have to watch the next video to see the sneak peek. But look how cute that is. Snail mail. Open it up. Sorry I'm late. Here's a cute one. Sending you a special delivery. Cute little boxes on the top. And look, it's a stand-up snail mail, and then in the inside it says happy belated birthday. Again, another time where we've used those mushrooms because you know those mushrooms are so adorable to go with these. Here's a cute one. Oh, another sneak peek on this one. I love it. I love it. Sneak peeks are so fun. This is using our frame die. That's, you know, the photo frame die, which is really cute. Slow down. Recovery takes time. So cute. And 2 little guys on the inside. So fun. Here's a cute one. Oh, another mushroom. I think the design team all had the same idea. Cheryl made this one because I can see the 3D ink on here. Sending you snail mail. Here's a cute one. Slow down. Another mushroom. Oh, Cheryl this time. Snail. Slow down. Open it up. Recovery takes time. Love it. Oh, another sneak peek. Another sneak peek. This, oh, I'm not even going to tell you about the sneak peek on this one. You'll have to watch the next video. You're going to love it. And then we're going to open this one up. Happy belated birthday. Oh, here's a cute one, a circle one. I love on the Die Hard Club, you're getting that fun die that does that little swirl, which is really awesome. And we're going to open this one up. Recovery takes time. Oh, here's a cute one, a little envelope on the back. Snail mail for you. Open it up. Happy belated birthday. Okay, this one takes the cake right here. Look at this one. Slow down. With our tortoise, with our sloth, and then the cute little snail on top. Is that just the cutest thing you ever did? Who did this one? Yvette did this one. I love it. Recovery takes time. Slow and steady wins the race. So cute. Here's another one. Congrats, with the cute little envelopes down below. Here's a fun one with our jar stamp and die set. Enjoy the slow life. You could do happy retirement on the inside. And here's a cute one, sending you snail mail. And it looks like I have one left that fell. Here we go. Enjoy the slow life. Congrats. Awesome. Now, club members, you know the deal. Yours are already on their way up to you. Kenny gets up extra early and makes sure those get in the mail first thing in the morning, so it gets in that mail right away and they are on their way to you. Now, if you're not in the club, oh my goodness gracious, you can be in the club for as little as $13.99 a month, and that would include the stamp set that I just showed you at the beginning of the video. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video. It's a really entertaining and it'll explain all the clubs and why you should be in each one, and you'll find out a lot of information. If I went too fast on any of these, never fear. They're all in our idea gallery on our website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.